do unboxing. Jamie bought this box.
Oh, I didn't buy a box. I bought the product that's inside the box.
Okay, let's have a look what Jamie bought.
Well, in Europe, nobody has a rice cooker.
Because they not eat rice every day.
And I just thought we eat rice every day, cook it in a saucepan. Maybe we'll buy a rice cooker.
So let's have a look. It's a good product. They pack very good. This is sent by the Post Laju though.
Postage? Oh yeah, because of course local is okay. Just no international postage, unfortunately.
How many days these things arrive?
Well, I
How long
ordered
will
this
you order?
about a week before I realised it hadn't come, so I chased them and they said, oh, we'll look into it. And then they said, oh, very sorry, we forgot to send it. So I suppose 10 days from ordering it to receiving it.
Okay.
You be careful with that razor blade, darling.
They really wrap as well. Another wrap inside.
Ah, well, that's the proper Panasonic
Do not
factory
accept
wrapping.
if seal broken.
Oh. Seal? You mean like, seal?
No, S-E-A-L, seal, plastic.
Say that again. How did you spell it? S-E-A-L.
S-E-A-L, seal.
Same as a seal that goes,
Fortunately, it's
or,
not silk.
or whatever a seal makes noise in the sea. Be careful with that razor blade, darling.
And they have a receipt.
Good. Let's have a look.
Ready? This is brand Panasonic SR-DF181 silver electric rice cooker.
Doo, doo, doo.
Jamie learn eating rice every day here.
Yeah.
I want fish and chips. No, rice tonight.
How often do I ask for fish and chips?
When you're dreaming and when you sleep.
I do not. Once every 2 weeks
No more rice. Wow.
at the most.
They have books to read how to use them. Multi-language. They have a warranty. And let's have a look what inside. They have
Do you know what I think's best?
What,
Turn
yeah?
it upside down. I'll turn the camera up and help you.
they have a plug. They have a cup. Already have a cup to cook rice.
Measuring cup.
Have free spoon too. Plastic, I think. Oh.
You're definitely gonna need
Ah,
it.
this is white rice. White color.
Ah, it's a silver.
Okay, let's have a look. Warning.
Oh
this is-
no, darling, the microcomputer's gone fuzzy.
No, electric, of course.
Fuzzy microcomputer. Is that?
Oh, like that. If you want to open it, you just press like this. Ching. See? Wow.
Okay.
Oh, there was. You can steam.
Yeah, you can steam like a fish or something in the top.
Oh, wow. Great. Look,
So-
it's big. Enough for one family.
Is it heavy, darling?
It's a metal. Quite heavy. It's very light.
Huh? Quite heavy, very light. Make your mind up, missus.
Look inside. They have a like this. Look. Zoom.
Oh yeah. So that's a heater. Is it loose or is it fixed?
Let me see. Fix.
So that's a heating element. So it's just like a big electric kettle, isn't it?
So you can cook egg. Maybe you can.
Apparently that's 5 layers, that bucket. And you could do soup in it as well, I suppose. Okay, job done. We'll let you know when it works or not.
Thank you. Bye bye.